Hello friends, welcome to Trending 2. Friends, my name is Biswa and I do have two different products of IKEA here in front of you. I'll be opening it and showing it the quality of these items. So this first item is, let me quickly go ahead and complete it. So this is made in Thailand and marketed in India. The product name is called as GUBBRÖRA. So this is GUBBRÖRA. GUBBRÖRA is nothing but a oiling brush. So you can definitely use this item to to just brush up the oil on the item on any of the surface where you want to fry. So this quality itself is good. I do have multiple items from outside, but not from IKEA, the similar types of items, but those qualities are not good, where you will be able to the quality of this brush, quality of the handle will not be that good as good as in IKEA. So let us quickly open it. So I'll show you. See the brush quality. It is pretty good, and you will get a bigger handle so that your hand will not get messed with the hot pan or something. So if you are directly applying that on the hot pan, you have to apply that from a little distance. So you definitely need a longer handle to use this item. And the price of the item is around 99 rupees. So in India it is 99 rupees, but in US or in any other countries, UK or Singapore, you'll be able to get it in $1.4 US dollar. So this item is a good item. You can definitely have this item in your kitchen and you'll definitely love this. And the next item, let me quickly go ahead, and this one is my favorite. So it is basically a small item. See this one. Let me open it quickly, and nobody will think that this is so cheap. So see this item, guys. So this is really looking good, and this has a good stability also. And what this will hold is any item which has a hole on it, right? You can definitely put any of the item inside it in this and keep it on your dining table or somewhere, which can definitely hold a lot of items. So here we have around 12 place or 12 knobs to fit in all the items. You can definitely put some key ring, or you can put anything that you want to do if you want to put. So you can put any number of items here, and this will not even fall down. So because it is made in such a way that it will hold all the pressure of the items, all the and you know about IKEA, they are meant for innovation, and they do promote innovation. So this is physically, it applies all the physics pressure. It will not go bend, it will not even fall down if you apply pressure on it. Okay. And the price, let me come to the price part. It is I feel it is around 50 cents in US dollar. It is around 50 rupees, not even 50 cents. It may be 60-70 cents in US dollar. In India it is 49 rupees. If you are in India and if you are visiting IKEA store in Hyderabad or Mumbai or anywhere, definitely get this item at your home and put it on your dining table or anywhere that if you want to put any number of items organized. So this is basically organizer. So we need to keep our items organized way so that our items will not get messed up with anything. Okay. And this is a good item to definitely have in the kitchen or anywhere in the home actually. Okay. I hope you have enjoyed this video, guys, and this is a good item to definitely add it to your cart whenever you're visiting IKEA store. I'll put the item purchase link, if available, in the description section. You can go to the description, click on the link to purchase that online as well. And hope you have enjoyed the video. Do like the video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon if you want to get further notifications on my channel. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.